Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three top cryptocurrencies, which are Dogecoin, Stellar and Theta. We will see where they might move over the next weeks and months. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free, while to receive our real-time alerts generated by our robot, then you can join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with Dogecoin. As you can see here, we have a 2-daily chart, which means every candle is a 2-daily one. What we see here is that after having broken above the 0.012 US dollar, we have experienced a huge run-up for Dogecoin. I've been forecasting a retrace once hitting the 0.08 US dollar, which actually happened. So what is happening right now is that we see a triangle, an ascending triangle, which can be detected by linking all these point of lows and all these point of highs. So what we see right now is an increase in terms of amplitude, is a long white candle breaking above the oblique resistance. In terms of volume, we should state that we are not where we would like to be. So what we want to have here is an increase, a much higher increase in terms of volumes. Yet, if we will see new volumes upcoming over the next days, we can definitely project Dogecoin going to hit 0.12 US dollar. So 0.12 US dollar is definitely the target for the short-term strategy for Dogecoin. Okay, yet as I've been stating, as I've been warning before, we need to see more upcoming volumes. So very first target right now at 0.08 US dollar. So we're going to hit 0.08 US dollar in a matter of few hours or maximum few days. Then we will see a period of squeezing, and then we are definitely breaking above the 0.08 US dollar, which is the all-time high for now, and we are definitely experiencing Dogecoin going to hit 0.12 US dollar over the next few weeks. Okay, now let's move on. Let's analyze Stellar. For Stellar, I was quite clear. Once hitting the 0.60 US dollar, I've been predicting a period of squeezing. We see here a point of control, which has been clearly detected and advertised over my previous YouTube videos. When we see such an increase in terms of volumes after a prolonged period of uptrend, definitely we should be expecting a retrace, which actually happened. So I was right, and you can check my previous YouTube videos when I was predicting at 0.6 US dollar a strong retrace for Stellar. So what we've seen here is actually 0.20 US dollar of retrace for Stellar. So what we should be expecting next? What we see here is a sort of hammer or reversal pinball, so a long tail and a smaller body. It's crucial that we see Stellar keeping the 0.40 US dollar threshold. If Stellar is not going to keep the 0.40 US dollar, we're definitely experiencing Stellar going to hit 0.20 US dollar. 0.20 US dollar will be a fantastic supporting area from where I will be buying massively Stellar. Yet I do believe that 0.40 US dollar should be enough in order to contain the retrace. So from here we should be experiencing a period of squeezing, but in terms of buying on strengthness, definitely we want to wait till 0.60 US dollar. So personally speaking, I will be buying Stellar above 0.60 US dollar with a very first target at 1.20 US dollar. Even in this case, like I've been explaining for Doge, for the Dogecoin, we are going to experience a period of squeezing once hitting this area between 0.80 and 0.90 US dollar, which was actually the previous all-time high, and then we are definitely breaking above this previous all-time high in order to hit a new all-time high for Stellar. Very first target 1.20 US dollar, which will be hit over the next months. Now let's move on. Let's analyze Theta. For Theta, we have a completely different scenario. Once we see for Dogecoin, for Stellar, an increase in terms of volumes, once we have experienced the breakout above this area, and for Stellar, we have experienced an increase in terms of volumes in association with the long white candle. For Theta, we have a completely different situation. So what we see here is definitely a point of control, a POC, and a huge increase in terms of volumes. When we compare these volumes with the previous one, we can definitely state that the strong hands have massively sold their tokens to their retail traders. So what we should be expecting right now for Theta, I've been analyzing Theta over my previous YouTube videos, and I do confirm my forecast. We are definitely going to see Theta going to work this area between 8 and 6 US dollar, with even some projection at 4 US dollar. 4 US dollar would be a fantastic area where buying Theta in a massively way. Definitely, I will be buying anyway between 6 and 8 US dollar, which will be an area that will be tested over the next weeks. So now, in terms of relative strength between Dogecoin, Stellar, and Theta, definitely, if I should choose, the first one is the one, so Dogecoin is the one that I would be investing massively, actually, right now, because in terms of time, in terms of timing, right now Dogecoin is going to hit definitely 0.08 US dollar, then Stellar, and the last one will be Theta. I will be waiting definitely for a much lower area, supporting area from where buying Theta. So from 4 and 6 US dollar, this area we will see a huge movement up, and actually we will need then to reevaluate the upcoming volumes in order to understand where that is going to move after the summer. Okay, so short-term prediction, that is going to retrace, is going to tumbling down strongly. So between 8 and 4, I would say even from 6 and 4 US dollar, we are going to buy Theta massively. And of course, we will need to reevaluate the volumes, the upcoming volumes. Okay, guys, if you want to join our growing community on Patreon, you might want to have a look at our description field. Thank you, guys.